Welcome to a world where machines meet muscle. In this video, we take you inside the powerful world of modern sawmills, where massive logs are turned into perfectly cut lumber with incredible speed and precision. It all starts with raw timber, carefully transported and positioned by heavy-duty log handlers. These machines aren't just strong, they're smart, rotating and aligning logs for the most efficient cuts. As the cutting process begins, we witness massive circular and band saws slicing through hardwood like butter. The sound, the movement, the smoothness, it's a mechanical dance of precision and power. These high-speed blades, guided by sensors and advanced automation, ensure every cut is clean, sharp, and perfectly measured. Today's sawmills use intelligent systems that scan each log and decide the most efficient way to slice it. With computer-controlled accuracy, machines adjust blade depth and speed in real time to maximize yield. From initial rough cutting to precise finishing, these machines handle it all, trimming edges, planing surfaces, and shaping timber into standardized dimensions. Even waste is managed smartly, bark is stripped, sawdust is collected, and leftover wood is repurposed for energy or mulch. Nothing is wasted. Finally, perfectly cut planks are automatically sorted, stacked, and prepared for shipping. It's amazing to see how a raw log can go from forest to finished product in just minutes. This is more than just woodworking, it's industrial art. Watching these machines in action is truly satisfying, and it shows how far technology has come in the lumber industry. Watch closely as a massive log is lifted by this heavy-duty crane. The log is carefully positioned beneath a giant cutting blade. This isn't just brute force, it's precision handling of raw timber. Now the machine powers on, and just like that, the cutting begins. With a clean, steady motion, the blade slices through the wood as if it were nothing. The size, the power, the control, it's simply incredible to witness. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of powerful sawmill machines, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more incredible content. Thanks for watching, and keep enjoying the amazing world of modern engineering.